Hello friends, we are going to discuss about price regulation and rationing steps. Means public distribution system based step to control prices. Right? So here first you remember that the public distribution system is shortly spoken as PDS. It was started in India in 1977. The objective is to provide a low income group of the society, people living below poverty line, and they are getting the benefit of it. And for essential commodities, they are getting a reasonable price based essential commodity, and fair price shop have been established for providing these essential commodities to the people. Today in India, approximately 4.92 lakh fair price shops are there, and these shops are less in comparison to the price of generally here actually the open market prices are more, and compared to that these shops are less for which the poor people. So I'm saying that for poor people the fair price shops are somehow very less, and we are getting this essential commodity by these fair price shops. Here government is paying the amount of difference to the people who are working in this fair price shop. The difference, open market price and government decided price, the difference will be given to these shop owners for the quota whatever they have sold, as the amount will be given to them, it is called subsidy. So here the shop owner's loss will not arise, because he will get the amount as per the market, because the difference is paid by the government and he has paid to them, he has paid, the poor has paid the remaining amount, so the difference has been given to them. That is the main thing what I mean to say. So here the subsidy will be given to them by government, so the fair price shop owner will not have any problem, and the poor will able to maintain their living standard. So here they will be saved from the price rise, and the success of this system is mainly dependent on setting up of an effective administration mechanism for availability and distribution of required quantity of essential commodities with honest and transparent shop owners. So the transparent system is required, the honest shop owner is required, the enough quantity of food crop is also required, so they will get it. So remember one thing here, this is only for upliftment of poor, nothing else. Remember this line, this is only for upliftment of poor, nothing else. Okay, the next point is administrated price mechanism. Okay, here the price mechanism means the government decide the price of some things which are sold in lowest price. Sometimes the price are hiking just by the shopkeepers by creating artificial scarcity, and it is creating just to get over profiteering. And to stop all this profiteering, two different acts have been established: Essential Commodity Act and Prevention of Anti-Social Activities Act. Nothing else. So these two acts are enough to control this overpricing and price controlling. Government initiating different steps by legal proceedings for regulation of stock of commodities who are done by the godown keeper. Thereafter, the checking the stock register regularly. These are the legal steps the government has to take regularly. Price register the godown keeper has to maintain with the stock. Strict punitive means punishments, punitive steps against the culprits. So remember here, the steps which are being taken here is taking important steps for restricting price rising and may not affect to the people's life is important. So again I repeat, two acts are important to remember in price mechanism: Essential Commodity Act, under which the price will be leveled and cannot hike the price, and Prevention of Anti-Social Activities Act, which is shortly spoken as PASA. It is for restricting profiteering, it is for restricting illegal stock holdings. Everything is being stopped under the PASA. Right, my friends? So remember, basically these two steps government is taking under price mechanism. The third step is government deciding price of so many things. Means the control price are decided by government for edible oil, for petrol, for diesel, for domestic gas, for sugar, for aluminum, means the metal, iron, steel, railway tickets, railway freight charges. Freight charges means the charges to send the product through railway to the other destination. That charges are called freight charges, regulated under administrative price mechanism. So basically here you have heard three steps. First two were acts, and the third one is price controlling by government. Right, my friends? So here I have completed discussion about remain 2 points which I was discussing by last lecture about price controlling based steps. Right, my friends? Okay.